Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired, though.
Yeah, early flights can do that. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let me check your information. All right. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to New York.
Nice! New York is a great city. Is this your first time there?
Yes, it is. I'm a little excited and a little nervous.
That's normal. New York can feel busy, but it's really fun.
I've heard that. I want to see Times Square and maybe Central Park.
Oh, yeah, those are great places. You're going to enjoy it.
I hope so.
Do you have any bags to check in today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Okay, no problem. Please put your bag on the scale.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Let me check the weight. Okay, great. It's right on time.
Oh, good. I was a little worried it might be too heavy.
Yeah, that happens a lot. But your bag is fine.
That's good to hear.
Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I am.
All right. Do you have anything fragile in your bag?
No, just clothes and a few personal things.
Perfect. That makes it easy.
The airport is a bit busy today.
Yeah, mornings are usually busy, especially for flights to big cities like New York.
I see.
Okay, everything looks good. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your gate is B12.
B12. Okay. Is it far from here?
Not really. Just go straight, then turn left. You'll see the signs.
All right, that sounds easy.
Do you know what time your flight boards?
Not exactly. What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30.
Okay, so I still have some time.
Yes, you do. You can relax a bit before going to the gate.
Maybe I'll get a coffee first.
That's a good idea. There's a coffee shop near gate B12.
Perfect.
Just make sure you arrive at the gate a little early.
Yes, I will.
Do you have your ID and boarding pass ready for security?
Yes, I have everything here.
Great. That will help you move faster.
I hope security is not too long.
It should be okay, but it depends on the time.
All right.
Are you visiting New York for vacation?
Yes, just for a few days.
That sounds nice.
I really want to try some American food there.
Oh, you will. New York has everything. Pizza, burgers, everything.
I'm excited about the pizza.
You should try a slice in Manhattan.
I will.
Here's your passport.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Everything is set.
Thank you for your help. You've been very kind.
No problem at all.
I feel much better now.
That's good to hear.
All right, I'll go to security now.
Sounds good. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Slow replay. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired.
Yeah, early flights can make you tired. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let me check. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to New York.
Nice. New York is a great city. Is this your first time?
Yes, I feel excited and a little nervous.
That's normal. Don't worry. Do you have any bags?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. The weight is good.
Oh, good. I was worried.
Your gate is B12.
B12. Okay.
Boarding starts at 10:30.
Okay, I have time.
Yes, you can relax.
Maybe I'll get coffee.
Good idea. Here's your passport.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Key phrases.
Good morning. How are you today? May I see your passport? Where are you flying today? Is this your first time? Do you have any bags to check in? Please put your bag on the scale. Your gate is B12. What time does boarding start? Boarding starts at 10:30. You can relax a bit. Have a nice flight. Repeat after me.
Good morning. How are you today? May I see your passport, please? I'm flying to New York. This is my first time. I feel a little nervous. Do you have any bags? Please put your bag here. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10:30. I will get a coffee. Thank you so much. Have a nice flight.
Vocabulary.
Airport vocabulary. Basic travel words. Airport. Place where planes arrive and leave. Flight. A trip by plane. Ticket. Paper or digital pass for travel. Passport. Official document for travel. Boarding pass. Paper to enter the plane. Gate. Place where you go to board the plane. Security. Area where bags and people are checked.
Check-in words. Check in. Arrow. Register before your flight. Information. Arrow. Your personal travel details. Scale. Arrow. Machine to check bag weight. Weight. Arrow. How heavy something is. Check. Verb. Arrow. Look at something carefully.
Luggage words. Bag. Something you carry. Suitcase. Big travel bag. Check-in bag. Bag that goes on the plane, not with you. Fragile. Easy to break. Personal items. Your things. Clothes, phone, etc.
Travel actions. Flying to. Traveling by plane. Traveling to. Going from one place to another. Boarding to. Getting on the plane. Arrive to. Get to a place. Leave/departure. To go away.
Time and process. Boarding time, right arrow. Time to enter the plane. Early, right arrow. Before time. Busy, right arrow. Many people/a lot happening. Morning, right arrow. Early part of the day.
Common expressions. Very important. These are high-value phrases for speaking. May I see your passport? Polite request. Here you go. Giving something. Let me check. I will look. Where are you flying? Destination question. Do you have any bags? Luggage question. That's perfect. Very good. That's good to hear. I'm happy about that. No problem. It's okay. Everything is set. Everything is ready. Have a nice flight. Goodbye at airport.
Feelings and reactions. Tired leads to need rest. Excited leads to very happy and interested. Nervous leads to a little afraid or worried. Relieved leads to feeling better after worry.
Places mentioned. New York, big city in the USA. Times Square, famous place in New York. Central Park, large park in New York. Manhattan, part of New York City.